Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you the recipe of jam-filled cream cheese cookies. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe we will need few basic ingredients. 40 grams of powdered sugar, 150 grams of flour, 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 90 grams of softened butter, about 160 grams of your favorite jam, and of course the scales. Combine 3 ounces of softened cream cheese and 90 grams of softened butter and beat until fluffy. Gradually add in 150 grams of flour and beat until incorporated. Shape the dough into a disc and wrap in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Dust the work surface with some powdered sugar and roll the dough out to a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut the dough into 2.5 inch squares and spread about 1 teaspoon of filling to the middle of each square. Dab a bit of water on one of the corners without filling and seal it in the center with the other corner. Place on prepared pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 14 to 18 minutes until just golden brown. Dust cooled cookies with some powdered sugar before serving. And as easy as that, our jam-filled cream cheese cookies are ready. Bon appetit!